were you pleased with your contribution to the last drive in play calling or preparation?
Oh yeah, that was awesome. Yeah, no.
We got to play within the rules. We all know that. Did it happen today? Apparently not. We had 17 penalties, 2 touchdowns called back, a fumble, all that kind of stuff. I get it, no question about it. But I mean, you know, we can focus on the negatives and all that, and I get it. That's you guys' job, but you might not understand the game the way I understand it, because I've been on the other side. I've been a part of a 20-some penalty performance by the Ravens, okay, and went on and we fixed it. We'll fix it here. But one thing is, we got heart, and at least I know we got that. And that'll line it up, regardless of the stuff that we take, negative-wise. We'll be standing there, right there, and ready to toe the line again next week. I promise you that.
It starts with me, terrible coaching. I got to do a better job. I got to figure out what I can do better to be a better head coach of this team. Yeah, I mean, I think as long as you've been in coaching, you've been around things like that. Not too often. And I think, again, it starts with me. It's a bad job of head coaching today.
Really just tried to approach it the same way I approach every game. Obviously, it's a little bit different this week with Andrew not practicing Wednesday and Thursday like he normally would. But really, I didn't do anything different. The only thing I think we did different, we cut our normal warm up on the field. We cut it after we were done running. And it's when I came back inside that Andrew kind of in his own way gave me the confirmation, and just got my mind ready to go.
It's something that we have to find our rhythm. We have to get back on track and string plays together. When we do that, we have pretty successful drives. It's getting those plays to string together where we've struggled this far.
Are you worried about your job security?
No, not at all. I'm worried about getting this team straightened out and fixed and getting our team ready to play the Tennessee Titans.
Coach talked about the defensive meeting on Monday where everybody got a chance to.
Next question.
And I'm wondering, do you think it resulted in?
Next question.
Joe has been talking about starting fast and trying to preach that and trying to get that to happen. What is your theory on why that hasn't happened yet?
Next question.
What footwear did you wear to practice on Thursday?
Next question.